Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to hide following list on Instagram. So to do that, let's head over to our Instagram application. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then just tap on the profile. And once you are in your profile, just tap on the three lines icon on the top right. Scroll down until you find the option of account privacy. If your account is made to private, then you can be assured that your following list is hidden on Instagram. And if your account isn't made private and it is public, so your account is currently not the following lists are not hidden, as because if you just toggle it on, here it says that it also hides your followers and following lists. So here in right here, it can be read. So yeah, hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next video.